Today I'm going to show you how to download the Grammarly app on PC step by step so you can get it installed quickly and start using it right away. Grammarly is a great writing assistant for checking grammar, spelling, clarity, and tone while you work in desktop apps and browsers. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right into it. First, open your web browser on your PC and go to grammarly.com/desktop. This is the official Grammarly desktop download page, and it's the safest place to get the app from. Once the page loads, look for the Download Grammarly button and click it. Your browser will start downloading the installer file to your computer. After the download finishes, go to your Downloads folder or click the file from your browser's download bar. You should see a file named GrammarlyInstaller.exe. Double-click that file to open it. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes to allow the installer to run. This is a normal step for installing software on your PC. Now, the Grammarly setup window will appear. Follow the on-screen installation instructions and wait for the setup to complete. Depending on your system, this may take a few moments. Once the installation is finished, Grammarly will launch automatically, or you may see a shortcut on your desktop or in your start menu. Next, open the Grammarly desktop app. You'll see a login button. Click login if you already have an existing Grammarly account. If you don't have one yet, you can create a new account during the sign-in process. You may be asked to sign in with email, Google, Apple, or another supported option, so just choose the method that works best for you. After you sign in, Grammarly will begin running in the background on your PC. From that point on, it can show a floating widget whenever you type in desktop applications or supported browsers. This makes it easy to spot writing issues and improve your text while you work, without having to copy and paste into another tool. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Grammarly on your PC. Now you're ready to use it for emails, documents, messages, and more. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.